Number 1. 1993 Ford F-150, price $5,500. It has 173,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an E4OD automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It features a blue exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck has relatively low mileage for its age and remains mechanically unmodified. Several key components have been replaced, including the alternator, brake master cylinder and booster, wiper motor, and all interior and exterior lighting. The air conditioning works great, the interior is in very good condition with only minor age-related wear, and it comes equipped with a Bluetooth head unit. It also has good tires, runs smoothly with no engine knocks or ticking, and is a rust-free Georgia truck. Known issues include a non-working rear fuel tank pump, a leaking front crankshaft seal, paint needed on the roof and upper body sections, and a heater that does not work. Number 2. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,800, well-maintained, one-owner pickup with 174,000 original miles and a clean title. Powered by a reliable 5.7-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers dependable performance and plenty of power for daily driving, hauling, or weekend adventures. Its 4WD system provides added confidence in a variety of road and weather conditions, making it a versatile and capable truck. The truck features its original white exterior, which has been carefully preserved by being stored under cover, allowing the paint to maintain its attractive appearance over the years. The body is straight, the truck has never been involved in an accident, and its overall condition reflects the attentive ownership it has received throughout its life. Inside, the cabin is finished with a distinctive purple interior that gives the truck a unique touch while remaining comfortable and functional. Number 3. 2003 Ford Ranger, price $8,950. This truck has 122,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a sleek black exterior paired with a tan interior, making it a clean and well-maintained compact pickup. Powered by the dependable 3.0L Vulcan V6 engine, this Ranger is equipped with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, and an AM/FM cassette player. The owner also purchased a new stereo, which will be included with the truck. It has an extended cab with a sliding rear window and 2 jump seats, providing additional passenger space when needed. The truck has recently received new tires, a full service, and a radiator flush, ensuring it is ready for the road. Everything works exactly as it should, making this Ford Ranger a reliable and comfortable daily driver or light-duty work truck. Number 4. 1983 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500. This truck comes with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, and a black interior. It runs and drives well, with several recent maintenance upgrades including new front brakes, new tires, and new valve cover gaskets. Nearly all of the gauges are fully functional, with the exception of the temperature gauge, and the truck currently does not have a radio installed. The previous owner purchased the truck approximately 2 years ago, and while there is no documentation to verify its earlier history, the last available description from the time of purchase is included for reference. The sale also includes replacement cab corners and rocker panels. Overall, the truck is in running condition, but it does have a transmission leak, and the transmission begins to slip once it reaches operating temperature. Number 5. 1997 Chevrolet S10, price $4,000. This truck has 191,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a reliable 2.2L 4-cylinder engine paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a blue interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. The truck has served as a dependable daily driver over the past year after being purchased from its original owner. As a Southern truck, it has only minimal surface rust and no frame rot, making it a solid foundation for its age. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, fuel filter, coil packs, spark plugs, and spark plug wires. The engine starts, runs, and drives, although it currently experiences a rough idle and some power loss. The suspected issue is worn fuel injectors that may need replacement. The air conditioning also needs to be recharged. Number 6. 1993 Ford Ranger, price $6,500. It has just 67,000 original miles and is powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in green with a gray interior, this two-wheel drive long-wheelbase pickup has had only one owner since new. It runs and drives great, with a new battery installed and tires that are in excellent condition. The engine does not smoke or leak, reflecting the truck's well-maintained condition. It also comes equipped with a camper shell and a tow hitch, making it a practical choice for work or recreation. The only known issue is that someone previously broke into the passenger side door, damaging the door lock and the glove box. Overall, this low-mileage, one-owner Ranger is a solid, dependable truck that has been well cared for throughout its life. Number 7. 1995 Toyota Tacoma, price $3,999. This truck comes with a clean title and has only 86,000 miles on the odometer, making it a great option for anyone looking for a dependable compact pickup. It is powered by a reliable V6 gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, providing a classic and engaging driving experience. Finished in gray with a matching gray interior, this Tacoma has been well maintained and remains in good overall condition. The seller notes that fourth gear is not engaging, so the truck is being sold as is. However, aside from that issue, everything else is reported to be functioning properly and in excellent working condition. Number 8. 1991 Toyota pickup, price $6,200. This truck is powered by the dependable 2.4L22 or gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a two-wheel drive drivetrain. It has 229,000 miles on the odometer and remains in good overall condition. The truck features a clean title, attractive blue exterior paint matched with a blue interior, and has been well cared for. It also comes equipped with a nice set of wheels and tires that complement its appearance. Known for its legendary reliability and simple maintenance, this Toyota pickup runs and drives well, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic truck. Number 9. 2003 Chevrolet S10, price $2,650. This truck has 259,000 miles on the odometer, features an automatic transmission, a beige exterior, a tan interior, and is powered by a reliable gasoline-fed 4.3L V6 engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission. Despite its higher mileage, the truck runs and drives well, making it a dependable choice for everyday use or light-duty hauling. The engine fires up quickly every time with no smoke and no noticeable oil consumption. It does produce a slight lifter noise during a cold start in the morning, but the noise disappears shortly after the engine warms up and does not affect its overall performance. On the road, the truck drives straight with no pulling, vibrations, or unusual handling issues, providing a comfortable and confident driving experience. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly through all gears without hesitation, delivering consistent performance. Number 10. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000. This truck features an automatic transmission and a classic gray exterior that pairs perfectly with its authentic patina finish, giving the truck plenty of vintage character. It comes with a clear blue Texas title in hand and is an excellent project truck that is already ready to be enjoyed on the road. The truck runs and drives great, starts up reliably every time, and is powered by a freshly rebuilt engine that has been bored .30 over and fitted with new internal components for improved performance and reliability. It brakes confidently, handles smoothly at both city and highway speeds, and delivers a comfortable driving experience.